Valley Storm Team forecast.
And we are moving on to our weather now with Marcelo Rivera Gonzalez. And I got to say, it was especially hot and uncomfortable out there today, and I'm hoping that doesn't last. I thought by the end of September maybe we might be drifting downward, but it seems to be going the opposite direction.
Well, on the long run, that will change. Let's just say by the end of October. But let's take a look at those forecast heights because, Brian, tomorrow, again, it's going to be pretty hot. Maybe not terribly hot like it was today and yesterday, but yes, we'll still have those numbers and those values across the valley on the 90-degree marks. 93 for the city of McAllen. It was 97 earlier today. 91 for Weslaco, 90 at Harlingen, a little bit more cooler along the coast. You have to remember proximity to the ocean and the sea breeze keeps those temperatures a little bit cooler. But there's one thing that I want to talk about. The daytime heating tomorrow with these temperatures, along with the instability provided by this frontal boundary that will be sliding down to our area on Thursday, will be combined and will be triggering or creating some severe thunderstorms in the area. Early in the morning, we will see on that busted forecast that it's going to start mostly clear, but by 7 a.m., clouds will be rolling into our area, temperatures at 78, and look at that. Rain is actually coming our way, and some of that rain could be severe along with thunderstorms that can get loud and rowdy. Taking a look at the futurecast, the day starts with mostly clear to cloudy skies, but at 7 a.m., I should say, it begins we will begin to see more rain coming into the area, but by afternoon, when those temperatures and that daytime heating kicks in, look at what's happening in Brownsville. We'll see some spots of heavy rains, downpours, and some thunderstorms that could turn severe precisely because we're going to have a lot of energy in the atmosphere that is going to help and support the formation of those storms and grow sufficiently to create very loud and some severe thunderstorms throughout the day. And that is going to be the case in the afternoon, especially in these areas along the city of Brownsville, Port Isabel, and parts of South Padre Island. Now in the afternoon between 3, 4, and 5 p.m. we will see more rain associated with that frontal boundary coming our way, and those red spots basically reflects the intensity of those strong showers and thunderstorms that can actually bring some lightning and some wind gusts of up to 20 to 30 to even 40 miles an hour. So that's a possibility tomorrow, Thursday. Now, this is what we can expect. When it comes to lightning, that would be the most noticeable effect. It's very high. Wind is also a possibility. When it comes to hail and flood, it's not zero, but it could be a possibility tomorrow, Thursday. And speaking of flooding, it's not going to be a major issue, but still, you might see some rain and some water accumulating on the roadways. So a safety tip, it's very simple. Turn around, don't drown, and don't attempt to cross any flooded roads. On the 7-day forecast, this is how it's going to look. It's going to look wet on Thursday, 90% chance of maybe some thunderstorms, and even some rain will remain in our area between Friday and Saturday. So keep those umbrellas and those rain boots in a safe place where you can find it easily because it will be wet at least until the weekend. And that's a look at your 7-day forecast.